tasks are used to execute an action on client computers managed in ESMC. Therefore, they can be used to perform actions such as software installation, module update, or on-demand scan. However, tasks are not used for configuration. Client configuration is carried out by policies. There are two types of tasks in ESMC: client tasks and server tasks. Client tasks are executed on client computer, EM agent being the executor. There is a long list of available client tasks. EM agent can delegate client tasks to the ESET security product installed on the client, ESMC component, operating system or mobile device. An instant client task can be created and configured easily and can be reused anytime when necessary. For server tasks, the ESMC server is the executor. The server performs 6 types of tasks: agent deployment, delete not connecting computers, generate report, rename computers, and 2 synchronization tasks: static group synchronization and user synchronization. For more details on individual client and server tasks, visit our help pages. Triggers are sensors that react to certain events in a predefined way. They are used to execute an action, to run a task for client or server. One task can be launched by different triggers in different conditions. There are various types of triggers. As soon as possible trigger executes task immediately. In case of client tasks, it is immediately after the EM agent receives information from the server. Scheduled trigger allows to execute task in a scheduled date and time, once or repeatedly. Similarly, you can schedule task execution via cron format. Event log trigger is invoked when a certain event occurs in logs. For example, if there is a detection in the scan log. These triggers are specific either for server tasks or for client tasks. Server tasks can be triggered on ESMC server start or can be invoked by changes in dynamic groups. Very useful type of trigger is the joined dynamic group trigger. This trigger is invoked every time a device joins the dynamic group. In the following part we will demonstrate how to activate ESET endpoint product remotely and execute automated on-demand scan. Log into ESMC web console using username administrator and password edutraining123. Navigate to the Computers section in the main menu. Click the cogwheel next to Dynamic Group Not Activated Security Product and select Option Tasks, New Task from the context menu. In the Basic section, name the task Endpoint Activation. From the Task menu choose Option Product Activation. In the Settings section, verify that an appropriate endpoint license is selected. Press Finish button. To check the execution of the task, navigate to Tasks in the main menu. After successful task execution, endpoint product on Client 1 IT will be activated. Back in the ESMC web console. Navigate to the Tasks section in the main menu. Press New button at the bottom and select Option Client Task. In the Basic section, name the task Endpoint Scan. From the Task menu, choose Option On-Demand Scan. In the Settings section, change the scan profile selection to Smart Scan. Other parameters keep in default state. Press the Finish button. Then press the Create Trigger button in the pop-up window. In the Basic section, name this trigger Execute Scan Regularly. In the Target section, press Add Groups button, select the ESET Demo static group and press OK button. In the Trigger section, as a trigger type choose option Weekly. Change the start time to 12 p.m. In the End section choose No End. For selected weekdays choose Friday. Press Finish button. Create new trigger for on-demand scan task. In Tasks section click on the Endpoint Scan task in the list of client tasks and choose Run On from the context menu. In the Basic section, name the trigger Scan Computers with Active Detections. In the Target section, press Add Groups button, select the Computers with Active Detections dynamic group and press OK button. In the Trigger section, as a trigger type choose option Joined Dynamic Group Trigger. Press Finish button. Switch to Client 1 IT Virtual Machine. Simulate active detection on a client computer. Open ESET Endpoint Security main window and navigate to Setup section. In the right pane, click on Computer Segment. Click on the green switch to turn off real-time file system protection. From the pop-up window choose Pause for 30 minutes and click Apply. Navigate to Network Location Sources and copy Archive Malware zip to desktop. Unzip files from the malware zip. Password to unzip is infected. Change the network settings in VirtualBox. In the menu bar of VirtualBox, navigate to Machine, Settings, Network. On Adapter 1 tab, expand Advanced and uncheck Cable Connected option. Press the OK button and wait until the network change takes effect. This is to demonstrate that EM Agent is capable of acting autonomously, without network connection to ESMC server. Right-click on the malware folder on the desktop. In the context menu, choose Advanced Options Scan without cleaning. Context menu scan will detect malicious files in the malware folder. Because it is scan without cleaning, files will remain active, will not be deleted, and EM Agent running on the local computer will move Client 1 computer into the dynamic group Computers with Active Detections. Immediately, the task Endpoint Scan with Join Dynamic Group trigger will execute on-demand scan with cleaning. Revert the network settings. When the network connection between EM Agent and ESMC server is re-established, EM Agent delivers information about scanning task and its results to ESMC server. Switch to ESMC server virtual machine. Track changes in Dashboard, Computers and Detection sections. In this lab, some malicious files were detected, therefore, the notification was sent to administrator's email. Open the email client and verify that the notification was received.